Guys, you know most furniture stores are just boring places. Well, by TOV, don't be boring is their tagline. Ari, I love that tagline. Let's see what's going on here.
Come on in.
This place is a museum, far from a furniture store. And their tagline is, of course, don't be boring. Ari, what's going on today?
Okay, so TOV Furniture, after many years of requests, after showing at Milan, North Carolina, Las Vegas, we've actually brought our showroom here to Brooklyn, in the local Brooklyn area.
Crown Heights.
Crown Heights, Brooklyn. And we have brought some of our designs, our newest and hottest designs, right here so that you can see them in person. You can touch the furniture, feel the furniture, see what we have going on.
It's crazy. So what I mean, you're just in North Carolina and in Las Vegas.
Yeah, so you're getting the access that designers and stores only get for the brand items, and you're able to come in here. We have a special sale that's going on for 4 days with access. Generally it's appointment only, but you can come in from 10 to 7, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday this upcoming week, and see and buy all of the items. Plus there's an additional discount on all the items that you see here, plus everything in our line, over 2,500 items. Beds.
2,500 items you carry.
Correct. Beds,
so let me just understand
chairs.
Before we go further. This store is only being open for 4 days?
Right now it's a pop-up. We're still figuring out long term.
This is a pop-up location?
Yes.
Most pop-up locations are like in tents or like a little warehouse. Guys come in. This is a pop-up location, guys. I want you to understand. Look at this. This is a pop-up location. This looks to me more like a I don't know, a long-standing store, but it's 4 days only, guys.
So when we do a showroom, we like to do it right. Our headquarters are here, our New York headquarters right here on top of us, and we had the available space, and we said, let's do it. Let's go all out and do this right. So here on location, there's about 300 different items, including sofas, chairs, accessories, kiddush cups, challah mantel, challah boards, vases, different lighting, all different lamps.
Line.
Correct. All of these items are made by us, but the entire catalog, which has over 1,500 different items that you can buy, is all available. And if you come in here in person and order it, you'd get 20% off the entire catalog. Everything is warehoused in California and North Carolina, and it would ship right out to you, whether you want it upstate to the country. If you want it here locally in Brooklyn, you want to send it to Florida, it's all free shipping.
Free delivery?
Free shipping. And with an additional 20% off. So if you want to check it out.
So give me an example. This swivel chair looks very cool. Right? What is this? This is swivel? No. Yeah. Nice.
So this one's our Masa chair. This actually just got in. It's on the website, but it hasn't even been tagged yet with the pricing. But I'll give you an example here on the Piedmont. This one just came in this morning. This Piedmont chair is $8.99 with free shipping. That's the regular price.
Now 20% off.
20% off on top of that.
Wow. I love this actually sofa right here. Very cool, trippy look. That's new or that's an old item?
This sofa came in last week. It's made in our factory here in North Carolina, so it's a USA made product.
Don't be boring.
It's called the Kendall. This is the smaller size. It comes in a larger size as well, in a bunch of different colors.
Really?
Yes.
And then you have all these stools, different,
different ottomans, table settings. It's a whole house experience.
So when you come in here, guys, it's not a furniture shopping, it's an experience. You're coming in here because they have trippy, cool, unique furniture. It's not your typical furniture. It's just a lot more fun.
Correct.
The tagline is don't be boring. Nothing about this furniture here is boring. Ari, what did you tell me before? Most men come into furniture stores, sit down on the couch,
I say, give me a place to sit. I'm not interested. Let me know when you're finished. And over here, it's a very different experience. You're not walking into a pushy showroom with salespeople. Everyone that you'll meet over here are people that work at the brand, and they want to meet you and just see what it is. If you'd like to take a bag, we've got different gifts here for the ladies, and it's just an experience to come by. Even if you're not looking right now for furniture and you just want to get for 1 day for something, come by and check it out.
It's an experience.
Yeah, and you can see here, we have here some Kiddush cups,
Kiddush cups
sets. You have here different accent pieces,
fancy schmancy pillows,
different pillows, bowls, lighting. This chandelier right here, these are made by us. All of the lighting here in the showroom is made by us.
Very cool. So whatever you see here is your brand, TOV brand.
Correct.
Until now, guys, you were never able to see or touch TOV brand because it was only in Las Vegas, North Carolina, and by some major shows. Now the Tzibur, right, the oil and mast. Ari, you gotta open up your own showroom.
Yes.
You wanna see it here in Brooklyn.
So it's here, but it's here only for a limited amount of time. we do, our biggest constraint here is we only had about 2,500 square feet to show everything, but you're getting a good feel, and we can show you some of the fabrics if you're looking for.
People get the picture when they see this.
Correct.
They get the vibe, they get the situation here is not your typical, and once they feel the vibe here and get in love with TOV, it's unlimited. You guys have the magazine, you have online, you're just
there's
hooked.
full bedroom sets, outdoor now for the summer. You have a lot of outdoor
great.
furniture, and every category between rugs, ceiling, and everything in between.
Guys, I'm amazed. I'm here. I'm hooked on this. The chandeliers, their nightlight, their tables, their sofas, their dining room sets, their kitchen sets. I mean, you have kitchen sets as well?
Yes.
You have kitchens as well.
Yes.
Everything in between. Look at this coffee table. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's just a certain vibe, smell.
$479.
$479,
20% off.
And of course it comes with delivery, guys. So you're going upstate now, bungalows, bungalow colonies, woman, make sure you stop in here, bring your husband along because he's gonna love it too. I would usually recommend women don't come with thousands to furniture stores because they're gonna be really boring. But the tagline here is, don't be boring. Nothing about this place is boring. Their location is
878 Nostrand Avenue on the corner of President Street in Crown Heights.
okay, and the hours are
Sunday through Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Sunday through Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Now the phone number, somebody wants to call, just to confirm, or
You can check that out on the website.
have to check out the website. They have a gorgeous website here. TOV, the exact website is TOV what?
TOVFurniture.com.
TOVFurniture.com, guys. You can find them on the website, reach out to them, chat with them.
We do recommend if somebody wants to look a little bit in advance and see what it is that you're looking for, and then we can show you whether we have it here, or different fabric swatches, options, colors. So definitely check out the website if you do have a chance in advance. If not, come here and we'll be happy to help you in person.
Unreal. Ari, thank you so much. Chevra, starting.
From Sunday, June 7th to June 11th, here in person, right in the corner. Come in, the door will be open, and we'll be happy to host you here.
Chevra, the door's wide open. The vibe, you can just come in, like you said, just chill. Grab a beautiful bag over here. Your kids will love it, right? You say all the girls go with this today.
Yes,
No more briefcases, no more knapsacks.
it's tote bags.
Tote bags is the newest trend that all the kids have, all the girls have. Okay? Come over here, located at President and Nostrand. The outdoor, Kevin, let me show you a minute the outdoor. Very cool. Very cool vibe, very cool look. Beautiful, beautiful showroom here. Ari, thank you so much. Have a great day. Guys, let me just show you a little from the second floor. This gorgeous sofa here. Stunning, 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 Ari. Wow. So there's a second floor as well with some beautiful, beautiful items.
This comes in a bunch of different colors. It comes in leather as well.
Leather as well.
Velvet.
Look at this plush.
Wow.
Super comfy. This place is gorgeous. And guys, here we are on the rooftop showroom. Get a kick. Beautiful outdoor furniture, Ari. So summer's coming up. Bungalow colonies, camps. You want to get something nice. This is the most beautiful outdoor furniture you could actually see. Beautiful swivel. Oh my goodness. Ari, forget about it. Just imagine in your sunroom, in the country, on your porch.
Very good spot.
Very good schmack, very cool. Guys, Sunday through Wednesday, 4 days only. You don't want to miss it.
So I just want to show you what some of the bedroom furniture can look like staged in an apartment.
So you kind of create an apartment in your
Building,
building
right here. Yes, you've got a dinette over here. You've got here 2 bedrooms that we've set up. So these beds are made by us. They're actually trundle beds. It comes in a few different colors. As you can see here, there's twin sizes. It comes in full queen king as well. And the trundle bed
comes out
fully pulls out from the bottom.
So it's storage space?
Correct. Actually for an additional bed. So you can,
really?
Yeah, so you can put this in a room. This
Got
is a
4
smaller
beds.
room that we made as a model, but you can have 4 beds or put one in a bed and have a second
Ari, you
pull
didn't
out.
tell me, so if I need one night worth of sleep, you have a full hotel here.
You give me a call. And over here we have a different set, which also comes in different sizes and colors. You have the moon bedroom set. You have here the Bristol Park nightstand that comes in a couple different nightstands, a dresser. All of that is included and available.
So this is available and included. So they have beds, from bed to kitchen set, some dining room to living room.
Outdoor,
Indoor,
rugs,
outdoor.
lighting, everything.
Hako Bako, you guys got
Yeah.
it. TOV Fashion.